Guys, mayong hapon ito sa Virgin Megastore. Tanaw tag cellphone iPhone 15. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Tanaw na ta kung pila. Dari display. C48 na guys. C548. Yes, this one. My friend, good afternoon. I want to buy the iPhone, but I'm using this
You want to buy what?
iPhone.
iPhone?
Yeah, I use this voucher.
Sure. Normal. How much this one?
I have 3,800. And then I put some.
What you want, bro?
Yeah, I want to buy iPhone, guys.
All this voucher?
Yeah, you can use.
I think you can. Okay. Come.
Okay. Okay. And then the rest I have put. I think
So
the
how much total you have?
I have 3,800.
3,800.
Yeah, and then I have to put 1,000 cash. It's okay with you?
Then,
Okay. 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 Nag-awal tayo. Okay. This go. Pwede ka gamitin to, boss? Sa ano? 3,800 yan eh. Tapos yung naiwan, cash na lang ibayad ko.
Anong bibiliin sa?
iPhone.
Kailan na ano to issue?
Kahapon ko lang nakuha yan eh.
Sa ito kasi, confirm ka na.
Okay. Thank you. Tanawin pa kung pwede. Dito.